Yeah, our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round, round. Yeah, let's take a second and make sure we're on the right track before we say something that we both know we can't take back. Now, staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Saying things, the same things. Yeah, how do you live for today? We're just making it harder. Saying things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. So many thoughts around us. All these words are always in the way. So if you could just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow. Maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk.
Duduyan na lang kami guys. Ito pak yung isa guys.
I know it's on the line and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Let's go.
Wala yan. Nasa isip mo lang yan.
Mababaw lang talaga yan.
Guni-guni mo lang yan.
Oh, baby, don't change your mind. Let's get in trouble. I want nothing but you. No holding back. Don't need a bag, baby. We'll leave everything. You and me is all we need.
Dito po kami ngayon. Nag-island hopping.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest,
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not